All right, if you want to show notifications on your Motorola lock screen, here's how you do it. First, go to Settings, then Home and Lock Screen, and from there, Lock Screen. There's a couple of options to look at here. First, under Privacy, there's two choices. Either show all notifications on the lock screen or don't show notifications at all. So obviously, if you want notifications visible, you'd go with the first option. There's also a toggle here for Wake Screen for notifications. So if you want your screen to light up automatically when a notification comes in, just toggle that on. As far as how those notifications actually look on the lock screen, go to Settings, Personalize, and from there, Lock Screen. You'll get a little preview of what your lock screen looks like, and down here, there's a notifications box. Tap that, and you can choose the notification style. You can have them shown as a list, you can have them as a little chip, or as these little bubbles. So if I wanted the bubble layout, I just select that, go back, and now that's the style I'll see for all my lock screen notifications. And that is how you make sure notifications show up on your Android lock screen. Click that like button if this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more quick, easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.